Here are some really annoying but relatable things in school. That one teacher who stands behind you, watching you as if you're defusing a bomb. Is it just me, or during a test, it is like nothing you revised for? During group work, you are the only one who does the work. Teachers getting mad for the slightest problems with uniform, for example, getting cross for wearing the wrong socks. Forgetting everything the second you start an exam. Like, why do we immediately get the memory of a goldfish as soon as we start an exam? Subscribe